Hey guys, today I'm going to be holding my new pink-toed tarantula. I can't wait. So this tarantula can live up to 4 to 8 years, and it can grow to be about 6 inches long. So I have a little hide right here, a log, another log, this like bridge decoration, this little plant, and I have its water. Guys, these tarantulas live in trees and bushes. Now let's hold him. I'm holding a pink-toed tarantula right now.
Wow.
For these guys, you gotta be very slow when holding him. Grandma slow.
You better watch it, Sonny.
He's resting right there. Okay. I'm gonna set him down. He's resting right there.
Oh my God.
The reason why he is called the pink-toed tarantula is because his toes are pink. If you look closely, you'll see some pink on his toes. He's literally all the way up on my arm right now. He's very sensitive to people breathing on him, so he might run. And his fangs are really cool. And when he eats prey, he chews it and then he pushes pushes it with his fangs. Then he keeps eating. He injects venom first, of course. Tap. Whoa, he jumped. Okay guys, I'm gonna put him back in his terrarium. And also there's a little spider in here, so. Put him back. Okay guys, he is in his habitat right now. There's a little venomous spider in there and he might eat it. I think it's a brown house spider. Whoa. Don't crawl out. Hey guys, thanks for watching my pink-toed tarantula video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe!